Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the seventh question in exercise 6.3. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangles ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that they have given four subdivisions. So first, I'm going to draw the diagram so that we can use it as a reference point. Now, let us see what is given to us here. Altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other. So, which means when I write the given, I can directly say that AD is perpendicular to BC and CE is perpendicular to AB. So, this is given to us. So let's see how we're going to prove it. There are four subsections. I'm going to take one at a time to prove. So let's take the first subsection to prove, that is triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. This is what we need to prove. So in this, let's see, I'm going to take the two triangles. So in triangle AEP, comma triangle the CDP, that is what we are actually looking at. What we already know is angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, or I can say this as CDP because that's what we needed here. CDP is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are the altitudes that are given to us. So we already know that. Then angle APE, I'm referring to this particular angle, is equal to angle CPB. Why? Because they're going to be vertically opposite angles. Since two angles are equal in this triangle, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay, now let's take the second subdivision of proof there and write a proof for that. So the second proof that they asked us to prove was triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. So let's see how to do this. They're asking us to prove this triangle ABD along with CBE. So let's start writing it. In both triangles ABD and triangle CBE, what do we know is angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. ABD is equal to CBE, which means what? I'm saying we are having a common angle between the two triangles. So let's write the reason, because that is the common angle for us. Then angle ADB is going to be equal to angle CEB. I'm referring to this particular side and this particular side. What are they? They both are going to be equal to 90 degree because they are the altitudes that's given to us from the given statement. Now, in these two triangles also, there are two angles that are equal. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Why? Because A is similarity. So second time we are using this particular similarity to prove it. Now let's take the third subdivision in this particular question. The third subdivision is to prove triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Let's look at the triangle first. AEP, we are referring to this particular triangle with ADB, the bigger version of the same one. So let's now see in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, what do we know? Angle A is common. So I can write this as angle PAE is equal to angle DAB. We are referring both the times to this angle. So which is nothing but your common angle in both triangles. So let's note the reason there. Then the next one is angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. We are talking about this angle AEP is going to be equal to this angle. Why? Because they are the altitudes that's given to us. Okay, so now again two angles are equal. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB using AA similarity. And one last proof for subdivision we have. Let's take the fourth subdivision in this proof. So in the fourth subdivision that was asked us to prove, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So let's prove it. First, let's look at the triangle PDC and BEC, the bigger version of the same one. So let's start writing the proof. So in triangle PDC and triangle BEC, what do we know? Angle PCD is equal to angle ECB. What are we referring to? This particular angle. Why? It is common to both triangles. So it is common angle. Then angle CDP is actually equal to CEB. Why? This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree because they are the altitudes given to us. So the altitudes. Therefore, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC, again using a similarity. So we have proved all the four subdivision. So I'm closing off with hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the eighth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.